Today we'll discuss about acid, base and salt. So let's discuss about it. There are three types of substances: acids, bases and indicators. Acids. Acids are sour in taste. They are corrosive in nature. A concentrated acid cuts through clothes and eats away the wool. If it falls on the skin, it can cause burns. They are good conductors of electricity as they allow the passage of electric current through them. There are different types of acid. From here we can understand that there are different types of acid. Let's know what they are referring acid as A. So from here we can know there are four types of acid. The first type of acid is mineral acid. I am referring mineral acid here as Ma. So what is mineral acid? These are acids prepared from minerals present in the earth's crust. It means the mineral acids are prepared from different types of minerals found in the earth's crust. The second type of acid is known as organic acid. I am referring organic acid here as OA. So what is organic acid? These are acids produced by plants and animals. Exception: hydrochloric acid. Means there is an exception that hydrochloric acid is also referred to organic acid, but it is not produced from plants or animals. The third type of acid is weak acid. I am referring weak acid here as WA. So what is weak acid? These do not discoated completely in solution. Example: nitric acid and sulfuric acid. And the last type of acid is known as strong acid. I am referring strong acid here as SA. So what is strong acid? These discoated completely in solution. Example: tartaric acid, lactic acid. Now let's discuss about the neutralization. It is a reaction between an acid and a base which results in the formation of salt and water. Neutralization is the reaction between an acid and a base which forms salt and water as result. So let's discuss about the process of neutralization. Acid, I am referring acid here as A, plus base, I am referring base here as B, is equal to salt, I am referring salt here as S, plus water, I am referring water here as W. So we can write acid as HCl. HCl is hydrochloric acid, plus NaOH. NaOH is sodium hydroxide. The sodium hydroxide is also known as caustic soda, equal to NaCl. NaCl is sodium chloride. NaCl is salt. Sodium chloride is salt, plus H2O. We all knew that H2O is the formula of water. So now saying this all, we can understand the process of neutralization. So let's move further. Neutralization in everyday life. First, indigestion. Too much acid in stomach causes indigestion. It is neutralized by taking an antacid like milk of magnesia. For your kind information, I want to tell you that milk of magnesia is base. Means the power of acid can be decreased by using base. Second, ant sting. When an ant bites, it injects formic acid into the skin. The effect is neutralized by rubbing moist baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate or calamine containing zinc carbonate. Soil treatment. When the soil is too acidic, it is neutralized by treating with quicklime, calcium oxide, or slaked-lime, calcium hydroxide. So how can we define acid and base? So let's how can we define acid and base? In blue litmus paper, the acid will turn the blue litmus paper in red, and the base will turn the red litmus paper to blue. Substance which are either acid or not basic are called neutral. So the thing which is not acid and also not a base, it is known as neutral. So which thing is not an acid and also not a base is known as neutral. Solution of substances that show different color in acidic, basic and neutral solution are called indicators. So now we can understand about acids. So let's move further. An acid and a base neutralize each other and form a salt. A salt may be acidic, basic or neutral in nature. Means a salt can be also acidic, also basic and also neutral. So let's discuss about bases. Bases are bitter in taste and soapy to touch. There are two types of acids. So let's discuss about the two types of bases. I am referring base here as B. So the first type of base is weak base. I am referring weak base as WB. So what is weak base? These naturally produce less hydroxide ions in solution. Example, magnesium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide. And the second type of base is strong base. And even strong base here as SB, strong base. So what is strong base? This produce more number of hydroxide ions on dissolving in water. Example, caustic soda, caustic potash. Indicators. So what are indicators? It is special chemical that changes its color to indicate the presence of chemical substances. It is used to confirm the presence of an acid, a base or a neutral solution. Classification of indicators. Natural indicators. So the indicators can be divided into two types. I am referring indicator here as I. The two types of indicator are natural indicator and other indicators. So what are natural indicators? Litmus. It is extracted from lichens. It is available in the form of strips of paper or in the form of solution. Second, turmeric. It remains yellow in neutral and acidic solution but turns red in alkaline solution. Third, China rose. It turns acidic solution to dark pink, magnesia, and basic solution to green. Red cabbage. It turns acidic solution to red and basic solutions to blue. Other indicators. Methyl orange. It gives pinkish red color with acidic solution and yellow color with bases. Phenolphthalein. It is an acid-base indicator. It is colorless in acidic solution but turns pink in alkali solutions. So by using indicators we can find out the difference between acid and base. Like in litmus paper, I am referring litmus paper here as L, acid as A and base as B. Base here as B. So in litmus paper, the blue litmus turns into red and in acidic solution, and the red litmus turns into blue in basic solution. In turmeric indicator, referring to indicator as T, acid as A, base as B. In turmeric indicator, the acidic turns yellow only, and but the base turns into red color. And third one is China rose. I am referring China rose here as Cr, acid as A, base as B. So in China rose solution, the acidic solution turns into magnesia. I am referring magnesia as M, and in basic solution it turns into green. and referring green here as G. And red cabbage indicator, referring red cabbage here as RC, acid as A, base as B. Red cabbage turns into red in acidic but in blue in basic. All the indicators as methyl orange and referring methyl orange here as MO, acidic, basic as acid as A, basic as B. In methyl orange, the acid turns into pinkish red. I am writing a pinkish red as PR, and base turns into yellow. In phenolphthalein, I am referring phenolphthalein here as P, acid as A, base as B. So in phenolphthalein, the acid is colorless, but in the alkali solution it turns into pink, representing pink here as P or PI. So from this chapter we can understand about acid, base, its indicators. So thank you all and have a nice day.